In this video, we will learn how transcultural nursing is essential to us nurses and student nurses. An increasingly diverse world, it allows nurses to bridge cultural gaps, build trust, and deliver more effective and holistic care by avoiding misunderstandings and providing care that is congruent with the patient's cultural background. Transcultural nursing is the study and practice of nursing in and across different cultures with the goal of providing healthcare to people that is meaningful and beneficial, while at the same time culturally sensitive. Here's a simple mini role play our student nurses Aliyah, Charlene, Rialyn, and Rapunzel portrayed to explain why transcultural nursing is important in our job or program.
That's right. Just think about it. What if a patient refuses food or treatment because of their religion? We should consider their background because it's not that they're being difficult. It's just their beliefs and practices.
And also, the subject will help us understand how to deal with patients with their different needs.
That's why transcultural nursing is important. Just like Linenger said, culture and care go together. If we respect a patient's cultural background, they will trust us more.
I get it now. Transcultural nursing isn't just a theory. It's a practice that makes us better nurses.